Good morning, students. I am your English teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. Today, Tuesday, in last class, what we have seen? Before that, are you all happy and had your breakfast? Yes, it is too important. Okay. So, are you all remember it? In last class, what we have seen? All of you do your homework finished? You have to finish and you have to send a picture through the WhatsApp. Don't forget, okay? Let me recall it. The fat dog. The fat dog. He is a thin king. The thin king has a fat dog. The thin king and the fat dog go for a walk. The fat dog sees a cat. The fat dog runs to catch the cat. The king runs to catch the fat dog. They ran. Now the fat dog is thin. Now the fat dog is thin. Then let us think and do. Let us think and do. Circle the correct word here. K-I-N-G, king. Dog, D-O-G, dog. Cat, C-A-T, cat. Tick S or no. The king is fat. No. The king has a fat dog. S. The dog sees a rat. No. The dog runs to catch the cow. No. The king runs with the dog. Yes. See? First picture. The king and the dog go for a walk. The fat dog see the cat. Then the fat dog catch the cat. And fourth picture, the king runs with the fat dog. Finally, the fat dog become a thin. Yes, then you have to make your house, right? Yes. Then I can do. Tick the correct picture for the sentence. The shirt is small. The shirt is small. The coat is big. The coat is big. The tree is tall. The tree is tall. The cow is thin. The cow is thin. The rat is fat. The rat is fat. Then clap. C-L-A-P. Clap. Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Pink. P-I-N-G. Pink. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Then add S to make one into many. One into many. Yes, see, have one part. These pictures have three parts. One cap, four caps, one bag, two bags, one pen, five pens. Yes. Here today we are going to see circle the correct word for the picture. Circle the correct word for the picture. See, what is this picture? It is a chair, right? It is a chair picture. Circle the correct word for the picture. This is the chair picture and this is tap, right? Tap, like pipe. Tap. Then what it is? It is clock, it is pillow, it is lamp. What it is? It is lamp. Yes, very good. It is lamp. Here see, here they give each pictures have 3 choose. So we have to find out the correct word of this picture. Chair. CHAIR chair. Tap. TAP tap. Lamp. LAMP lamp. LAMP lamp. Listen to the teacher read the story and circle the words the teacher repeats. Listen to the teacher read the story and circle the words the teacher repeats. Here, now I read this story. What word I have to say again and again, you have to circle that word. It is they'll give. Let me read. Are you all listen? S. Rhino had walked for a long time. Rhino had walked for a long time. She saw an old man. She saw an old man resting under the tree. She saw an old man resting under the tree. She asked the man to give some water. She asked the man to give some water. Rhino was happy to get the water from him. Rhino was happy to get the water from him. Yes. Again, let me read. Rhino had walked for a long time. She saw an old man resting under the tree. She saw an old man resting under the tree. She asked the man to give some water. She asked the man to give some water. Rhino was happy to get the water from him. Rhino was happy to get the water from him. Yes, here see. Long time. We have to underline the long, saw, old, give and get. Let me spell that. Long. Long. Say after me. Long. Long. Saw. 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 Old. 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 Give. 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 Get. 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 Yes. Next, sixth one is recite the poem up and down. Recite the poem up and down. Here see, recite means we have to remember the poem again. Yes. All of you take your book page number 68. It's have a up and down poem, right? Already are you all? Learn it. You have to know this poem, right? Up and down. Let me read. You have to read with me, okay? Left hand up, right hand down, and walk round and round. Right hand up, left hand down, and walk round and round. Left leg front, right leg back, and run round and round. Right leg front, left leg back, and run round and round. We go up, we go down, we go up, we go down, and shake it all around, and shake it all around. We go up, we go down, we go up, we go down, and shake it all around, and shake it all around. Yes. Next. Again you have to read this poem up and down. Let me continue our book exercise, right? Yes. Then a new lesson. Listen to your body. Listen to your body. Body is our body, okay? We have to listen our body. What is the action going from them? Yes, see? I like my blue frock. What do you like? Here the girls like her blue frock. What do you like? You have to like jeans, frock, skirt, etc. Right? Like that. Then let us recall. Let us recall. Name the colors. Here see, students, they give 3 colors. We have to find the colors. What is the color? This is red. Red. R-E-D. Red. And this one is yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. And then third one is blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Circle the picture here. Circle the picture. Who is jumping? Here two girls is there, no? One girl is playing like that, jumping. Then another girl one is singing, right? So the correct answer in this picture, we have to circle that picture. Who is jumping? Here see, the girl is jumping. So we have to round the circle to her. Then who is clapping? Here both the boys playing something. So the boy playing skipping and the boy make a clap sound, right? So who is clapping? The boy is clapping. Then what will the girl say? Tick. Here say the girl give to that girl. So students, are you getting from any gift from others? What would you say? You have to say thank you, right? So here the girls say to her thank you. So we have to put a tick mark near the thank you. Okay, next read these words. We have to just read these words, okay? With the spelling, correct pronunciation. Brush, brush. Students, you have to say after me, okay? Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Nest. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Bank. B-A-N-G. Bank. B-A-N-G. Bank. Flag. F-L-A-G. Flag. F-L-A-G. Flag. Drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. Bend. B-E-N-D. Bend. B-E-N-D. Bend. Lift. L-I-F-T. Lift. L-I-F-T. Lift. Brush. Clock. Nest. Bank. Flag. Drum. Bend. Lift. Are you all know the words? Yes. Next. See, so many pictures is there, right? We have to identify that picture what it is. Okay? Let me find out. Yes. See here, red tie. This is the red tie, right? Red tie. R-E-D, red tie. T-I-E, tie. Next, violet belt. Here see, the hanging the violet belt. V-I V-O-L-E-T, violet. Belt, B-E-L-T, belt. Then red skirt. Here the girl wear the red skirt. So it is red skirt. R-E-D, red skirt. S-K-I-R-T, red skirt. Then blue handkerchief. Blue, the girl holding their hand. Blue color handkerchief. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue handkerchief. H-A-N-D-K-E-R-C-H-I-E-F, handkerchief. Then black coat. Then black coat. B-L-A-C-K, black coat. C-O-A-T, coat. Green sari. The man wear the black coat, right? Here the woman wear the green sari. G-R-E-E-N, green sari. S-A-R-E-E, sari.